how to turn off your message requests on Discord. If you have been getting spam messages or a lot of messages from Discord users that are on your mutual servers, this is how you can turn off your message requests. So what I'm talking about is if I go to a random Discord server here and go to some general chats, from here I can tap on anyone's profile here, and as you can see I have an option to message this person. But if you turn off your message request, people will not be able to see this option and they won't be able to message you. So this other person is I can also message him. So here are peoples. These peoples have not turned off their message requests. So in order to do that, first go to your profile, tap on the top right to open settings. Once you are on your settings, under account settings, you can find privacy and safety. Tap it. On DM spam filter, you can see filter direct messages from non-friends. So this is the default option. So if other people that are not your friends message you, Discord will automatically filter the messages. And in order to turn off your message requests, what you can do is turn this option off that says allow direct messages from server members. So if you have a common server and the person from that server can message you, if this option is turned on, so just turn it off, and it's asking, do you want to apply this change to all your existing servers? You can tap yes, and members from all of your servers will not be able to message you unless they're your friends. So once you do that, you should be good to go, and you won't receive any spam messages from people. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.